Hi, welcome back to my channel Skill Set Go. In this video we will see one aptitude question which is related to the topic time and work, and this type of problem is most asked problem in the aptitude tests. And let's go to the problem and solve it. So 10 people can cut 20 trees in 2 days. Then how many trees will be cut by 20 people in 2 months? So for these kind of problems we have a direct formula, but in this video I am not going to use that formula to solve this question. I will show how I can solve it in another way. So if you want a formula, direct formula, we can have W1 by W2, where W2 refers to the work, and M1 into D1, M2 into D2. M is refers to men and D is refers to days. So in this problem we need to find W2. So you can take 10 people as a men, which is M1, 20 trees as W1, as this refers to the work, and this is the D1. And how many trees? Trees is a work, which is W2, we need to find, cut by 20 people, which is M2. And 2 months. 2 months are, we can have 61 days, which is D2. So in this problem we have got values for all these W1, M1, D1, M2, D2. We need to find W2. It is very easy, but let's see how we can solve it in other way. So 10 people can cut 20 trees in 2 days. 10 people can cut 20 trees in 2 days. 20 trees and 10 people. So 10 people can cut 20 trees in 2 days. Let's find it in 1 day, how many they can cut. So we can have in a mind this formula x1, y1, x2 and y2. So we have given x1, y1, x2, but we need to find y1. So in this case we need to find in 1 day. 1 day how many we can find. So this is y1, this is x1, x2. This is y2, we need to find y2 equal to x2 by x1 into y1. So this is a general formula. In this case we no need to use this formula, we can directly know if they can cut 20 trees in 2 days, then in 1 day obviously only 10 trees they can cut. So we can reduce this to 1 day, 10 trees and 10 people. So we have reduced to 1 day, but we need to find 20 people in 61 days, how many they can cut. So now here we need 20 people, how many they can cut in 1 day. If we know 20 people can cut certain number of trees 1 day, we can multiply those many trees in 61 days, we can get the direct answer. So here also we can follow this pattern. If 10 people can cut 10 trees, then 20 people, how many trees they can cut. So here also we can follow 20 by 10, 20 by 10 into 10. So that is 20. So without this formula also we can know 10 people 10 days, obviously 20 people 20 trees, 10 people 10 trees, 20 people 20 trees, and in 1 day. Now we have got 20 people can cut 20 trees in 1 day. Then 20 people in 61 days, how many they can cut. Obviously we can see this pattern. 61 we can multiply with 20. We can follow the same pattern, x2 by x1, 61 by 1 into y1, which is 20. So 61 into 20, that is 1220 trees. So this is the final answer. 20 people can cut 1220 trees in 61 days. So these type of problems can be easy only when we reduce to 1 day. If you find the certain number of people can cut certain trees in 1 day, then obviously we can know how many our days, we can multiply easily. So this is the direct formula. We can find answer with using this formula also. Here W1 is 20, W2 we need to find, M1 is 10, D1 is 2, M2 is 20 people, and D2 is 61 days. So we can find easily 2 into 10, 20, we can cut 1 by 61, 20 by W2, and W2 is 61 into 20, which is 1220. So we have got the same answer. So for these kind of problems, this is the direct formula, or we can use this pattern to find the answer finally. So in the next video we will see one more type of problem and solve its answer. I hope you like this video and understood the concept. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.